how to make microwave chicken roll-ups. It is high in protein and also it is low fat, so it is perfect after exercise or while on a diet. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you follow my Facebook page, you know that I love my hula dancing teacher, and she recently, in September, she published a book called AgeAge Dance, which is a dance exercise book. She also teaches many other dance exercise classes at the gym. So this is her book, and she has some recipes in the end of the book. So I'm going to show you one of her recipes. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and in the end of the video, I'm going to do a mini giveaway, so don't miss it. So the book comes with a step-by-step DVD with 3 original songs which her husband wrote and she sings. Actually, this background music is one of her songs. And the recipe pages are here. Okay, so let's move on to the cooking. You need 1 chicken breast. You can remove the skin if you don't like it. Then flip it over and open out the meat from the center like a book. Lightly pound with the back of a knife to make it thin. Season both sides with salt and pepper. Place the chicken skin side down and spread the mustard. Place 2 slices of ham, you can use bacon, 2 sliced cheese, 6 defrosted frozen green beans. Now roll up the chicken tightly. Then wrap with plastic wrap, twist the ends like a candy to seal it securely. Place it on the microwavable dish. Then microwave on medium for 7 minutes. When it's done, leave it in the microwave and cool down for 10 to 20 minutes until you can touch it. Slice the chicken into pieces. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Itadakimasu. これはすごく美味しいです。インゲンが入ることによってすごくジューシーになって、さらにマスタードのパンチが効いてて、もう食が進みます。見た目がね、すごく可愛くて華やかだから、パーティー料理にもぴったりだし、お酒のおつまみにもぴったりです。So I'm going to give this away to one person, and the book is in Japanese as you can see, but the giveaway is open internationally because I know some of you want to learn Japanese. So when the winner is set, what I'm going to do is I see her every Monday, so I'm going to get her autograph. This is mine, but I already have your book here. This is brand new and the page is empty now, so I'm going to get her autograph right here with your name on it. So I think it is going to be very exciting. So to enter this giveaway, please let me know your fitness habits. For example, I take hula dancing class and also aerobics and muscle training class. So any class is fine. Any sports is fine. But if you're trying to start something, then that is okay. You can just tell me what you want to start, and yeah, that's it. So more details are in the description box. So I hope you have good luck.